and welcome to the walkthrough of the Content Planner, a powerful tool designed to help you plan, create, and execute content 10 times more effectively. With pages for strategy, content workflow, promotions, an ID bank, analytics, competitor analysis, budget resources, and review and approval, this template is your ultimate resource for streamlining every step of your content creation process. Let's explore how each section can help you optimize your workflow and elevate your content strategy. First up, we have the strategy page. This is where you'll lay the foundation of your content plan. Build a comprehensive strategy that aligns with your brand's goals and ensure every piece of content has a clear purpose. Now let's look at the content workflow page. This page allows you to track every step of your content creation process, from brainstorming ideas to publishing and beyond. Easily manage deadlines, assign tasks, and content statuses to ensure a smooth, efficient workflow. Then we have the promotions page. This one is all about amplifying your content. Plan and schedule promotional campaigns across platforms to maximize reach and engagement. The ID bank is your dedicated space for inspiration. Capture new content ideas as they come to you, so you'll never run out of fresh concepts to develop. It's perfect to brainstorm and refine your next big idea. Next is the analytics page. Here you can track the performance of your content and gain insights into what's working and what's not. With data-driven decisions, you'll be able to improve your strategy and engagement over time. The competitor analysis page gives you a deeper understanding of your industry. Track what similar brands are doing and identify opportunities to stand out in your niche. It's a great tool for staying ahead of the curve. Then we have the budget page. Managing costs is simple with the budget page. Track expenses related to your content creation, advertising, and other resources to ensure you stay within budget while maximizing results. And finally, we have the review and approval page. Collaborate with your team or stakeholders to finalize content before publication. This template also comes with a database, so you can view and organize all your entries in one place. The all-in-one Notion template is fully customizable, quick to set up, and comes with a lifetime of updates and of course customer support when you need it. You can find the link to this template in the description down below and on our website. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and explore our other templates as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.